Whether you have a specific goal in mind or simply aspire to be more health conscious, the new Venu 4 Advanced GPS smartwatch can help lead the way. With a stunning lightweight stainless steel design and brighter AMOLED display, choose from 2 sizes and a variety of colors to ensure you have a watch that reflects your sense of style. Venu 4 has the means to provide everyday utility from tools you want in a premium smartwatch. Conveniently make and take phone calls from your wrist using the built-in speaker and mic. This also includes easier access to your smartphone's voice assistant or accessing watch functions with voice commands. And the built-in LED flashlight not only comes in clutch to help you see when you need it, but it can also make it easier for others to see you.
At the core of Venu 4 is the desire to help you see the picture of your well-being 24/7. The foundation for this is deeply rooted in features such as heart rate, body battery energy monitoring, women's health tracking, and more. Other more specific and requested features are available, like compatibility with the Garmin ECG app that analyzes a recording of electrical signals that controls how your heart beats to detect signs of an irregular heart rhythm called atrial fibrillation. Then there's data that's captured overnight. Advanced sleep tracking will present you with a sleep score once you wake up, and the improved sleep coach provides more insights to guide you towards a better night's sleep. New additions like sleep consistency can keep you more informed to improve your sleep quality, and sleep alignment shows your body's internal circadian rhythm. That, when synced with your sleep window, can help you feel more alert upon waking up. We've then compiled various data points into a new feature called Health Status. Here, you'll be able to easily glance at data measured overnight to see if you're within your usual range or trending away from it. A shift outside your range can indicate added stress to your body and could be related to changes in activity levels, environment, potential illness, and other variables. Many of us choose to wear a smartwatch because it fits our lifestyle. Well, lifestyle logging introduces a fully customizable option to journal certain behaviors on a daily basis, and then see how that correlates with and impacts key health metrics your watch is already monitoring. The more you journal and wear your compatible smartwatch, the better you may see how one influences the other. And if you already have a Garmin Connect account, you can begin using lifestyle logging for free, right now directly within the Garmin Connect app. Just be sure to download and install the latest version to your smartphone first.
If you're looking for guidance adopting a more active lifestyle, Garmin Fitness Coach is our latest adaptive training plan for anyone who's simply looking to improve their fitness. Unlike some of our other coach plans, this one isn't tied to just one activity type, so you have the flexibility to change things up by selecting from a variety of supported profiles. Your suggested workouts will be tailored to your fitness level, athletic ability, and tracked daily health stats, with the goal to achieve a recommended heart rate target for a duration of time.
With more than 80 sports apps preloaded to the watch and multi-GNSS support, you're likely covered when it comes to finding the activity you prefer. Staples like running, cycling, swimming, and cardio are further enhanced with newer tools to assist in your training and progress. Mixed Session is a new multi-sport activity profile that allows you to record a variety of activities within a single session. For example, you could limber up using the mobility profile. When ready, stop the timer and move on to the next activity, like some strength training or perhaps running. Continue to repeat this process until you've accomplished what you set out to do. With a variety of other advanced health and fitness insights at your disposal, Venu 4 can help set you up to understand your body better. As a premium smartwatch, you also want something that has practical use for any variety of situations you could encounter throughout the day. While paired with your smartphone, receive notifications for calls and texts, calendar reminders, app alerts, and more. You can even reply to a text with a convenient on-wrist keyboard so you don't have to go digging for your phone. Discover a healthier you with the new Venu 4 Advanced GPS smartwatch. For more information on this product or any of its features, please be sure to visit Garmin.com.